Guide to installing the BOCCHI Undermount kitchen sink. For the installation, you will need the following tools and materials: tape measure, pencil, rags, level, safety glasses, construction adhesive, silicone sealant, screws to secure the support framing. Screws will need to be short enough so they will not extend through the inner walls of the adjacent cabinets. Suitable support framing material no greater than 1.5 inches thick. This sink is intended for installation to a standard base cabinet. For instance, the 30-inch sink is intended for installation to a standard 33-inch base cabinet, and a 33-inch sink is intended for installation to a 36-inch base cabinet. Before beginning this installation, inspect the supply tubing and drain piping to the installation site. Repair or replace if needed. Observe all local plumbing and building codes. Unpack the new sink and inspect it for damage. Important: the base cabinet should be installed, secured, plumb, and level. Support framing construction. Use appropriate fasteners and techniques when constructing the support framing to ensure the framing will support a minimum of 300 pounds. When constructing the support framing, keep in mind the top of the sink must not extend above the top edge of the cabinet. The top surface should sit approximately 1/16 inch below the top edge of the cabinet. Measure down the height of the sink from the top edge of the cabinet. Mark this distance on both inside walls of the cabinet. Verify the lines are level. Cut 4 lengths of support framing material to fit along the inside walls of the cabinet. Apply construction adhesive to one of the supports and align the top of the sink with the top of the cabinet. Secure the support with screws. Install the remaining supports in the same way. Sink installation. If available, install the strainer assembly to the sink. Notice: risk of personal injury or property damage. Fire clay sinks are heavy. Get help when lifting or moving the sink. Lower the sink onto the supports. Verify the sink is fully supported. Verify the sink is level. Make any adjustments by sanding the opening or adding wood filler strips or shim as needed. Apply silicone sealant around the sides and back of the sink. Wipe away excess and allow to dry.